Would you look at this? Sometimes you just gotta stop and just think, would you look at this? Well, just look at this. No, but seriously, take a look at this memory. It's pretty badass. So Corsair was kind enough to send us sweet fast RAMs, RGB based, for our Avatar system that we'll be sending out for review. Now the great thing to note about this memory is that it is the fastest 2666 MHz memory in the 1.2 volt bracket. That is important for those that do not want to overclock their memory controller and their CPUs. That adds a lot of additional strain that some people just are not about that life, and to each his own. So this memory is compatible with all iCUE device software. So if you want to match this memory with another device across the iCUE over here, and you have another device over there, and maybe you want to do red, white, and blue because you're a patriot.
You can do that.
And I mean, patriot as in like America, not Patriot memory, because this is Corsair memory and we don't want to talk about that. Anyways, so if you're looking for reliable memory that looks neat and is fast and affordable, look no further than Corsair's Pro Vengeance RGB memories with addressable LEDs. Stay tuned for additional hardware reviews based on the Avatar system that we're building, coming out next year.